demonstrating how to give yourself a tattoo. From your house, it's easy, it's free, it's fun. First thing you need to do is clean the area where you plan on tattooing. Clean it thoroughly, wash your hands, make sure everything is sanitary. I would just like to take a minute and say, homemade tattoos are cool. Okay, first things first, you want to come up with a concept idea. I suggest drawing down on paper, making sure you like it, and then apply it to the part of your skin where you want to tattoo with the Sharpie marker. Okay, you'll need a cup of water, Indian ink, a small cap to keep the ink in, a lighter, a razor of some sort, a Sharpie marker, or any generic brand, doesn't have to be name brand, sewing needles, or a safety pin. The safety pin is pretty easy. All you have to do is bend the safety pin, just like that, and hold on to this end, poke yourself. You might want to wrap some, thread. You also need thread. You might want to wrap some thread around the safety pin if you choose to do the safety pin wrap. I've done the safety pin wrap, and I'm going to try something new today. Okay, next step. Once you have the design down on your skin, and you're comfortable with what it looks like and stuff, then all you need to do is get the Indian, just put a couple dabs in there, in your, you got your little ink in your cap. Okay, next step. You want to sanitize your needle. That's very important, because it's going into your skin a lot. To do this, you hold the flame right there on the needle until the needle is red. Okay, after you sanitize your needle and it's cooled off, start applying the tattoo. This is the fun part. You know, all the skin poking and stuff. I'm trying a new method. I might switch methods here and go back to the safety pin if I don't like this pencil thing. Now you really got to push the ink in your skin. Don't be a pussy about this. Make sure the ink is getting into your skin. As you can see, I'm firmly pushing the needle through my skin, pushing the ink into my skin. If you're going to be a pussy, you might as well not even do this.
Another thing, before you start applying the tattoo, make sure you shave the area that you want to tattoo thoroughly, like a baby's bottom. Shave it very thoroughly, and make sure there's no hair there, because hair will interfere with the tattoo process.
sure you fill in all the little. We'll have holes. You know, just make sure you fill them in. Keep on going over them until you have solid lines.
I heard it myself, thought it was very well worded. It wasn't confirmed though, not was it? They got me breathing oxygen, goddamn dude, that doesn't. The sunlight just doesn't mix right with my chrome. It shines right through, this place needs a dome. We're here, now let's get it. Advertise in the job, hologram tools to exhibit. It's 6-89C75, well, look it up. Transform and ride. Wheels on the ground, big problem. We're moving what you don't know. If you don't shit, ain't no stopping. Damn, 50 gets upgrade. I heard about this place. On the water, single base. Knock, knock, knock. Who is it? I said the password. Oh yeah, we've been waiting for you. Listen. Forget the protocol about the listen. We're gonna dismiss this mission, cause it don't seem right. This plan is not deserted by the scheme, it was like I'm not detonating nothing, and we won't ignite. 4 bots in the back of the blank dark room. We're here for 5 years, by no matter what you do. Intellectually committing for review. It's not the first time, so we'll get nothing new. I've been trying to really gram through that CPU. We're here for 5 years, by no matter what you do. Somebody was lying, man, we gotta find the truth. Carl Guzzle Fly, he be cranked up with a blue. That on top of John, don't agree, me to loop. We're here for 5 years, by no matter what you do. Start your folks, fuck this. S'il y a assez de gens bordés dans le quartier en particulier, le entreprise soit inévitable. Ça, c'est un miracle. Chris, John Valley, long time no talk, man. What's up? Just driving around thinking of you. We're doing a hip-hop record. Yeah, that's awesome, man. We're going to get in on some of that action. Lay down some fat rhymes. Hey, dude, where are you going? What? Sorry, man, I'm driving. Listen, yes, I want to come in and join in some of the dope beats. Call me on my cell. I'm going to play Harry Potter at a children's birthday party, but that's going to be for a couple hours. We could catch up later on. Okay, man. So we can call later on. We'll look out. 917-5. Hey, where are you going? And the best thing about what you see here is that everything works with everything else. In other words, it's a system. Well, the system is no big deal to use. But with any computer, you have to learn a few new things. See, it's testing itself.